but no one will be eating you, James.
Two spider looks this Halloween? You lucky dog, you. For starters, my brows are going on, but make it spooky, which basically just, at this point, means to make it look black. Then it's time for the illusion of my eyes. Starting with a translucent primer, somewhat over my lid, but mostly into my crease. My transition shade into my crease completely and above, and then a purple mostly in my inner corner and the crease. A lot of creasing going on. Made out into a little bit of a wing for now. The messy nature of this doesn't really matter too much, as I'll be cutting the crease with a black in just a moment, and black covers everything. You'll know that if you've ever dyed your hair black. Oh my. Adding a bigger wing onto there, both outer and my inner corner. And topping that off with a black shadow to set it. Carrying that combination out to my bottom lash line and below. I'm really bringing back my scene days right now. For the eye color portion, Miss Spider has yellow eyes, so it's an unnatural color for me. Let's do it. With a circular tipped brush, putting it onto my lid and spinning it slightly, just enough to make as perfect of a circle as possible, and then topping off the yellow eyeshadow, again to set it. You always want to set any cream or liquid products if you don't want it to go anywhere. I went in a couple times to get it more opaque, basically just going back and forth between adding more of the water activated paint and adding the eyeshadow once it dried a little bit. Then a very skinny black liner in the middle to act as the iris. As I hadn't primed my face, I put a little bit on there, and then added some blush to both contour and blush up my cheeks. Then it's lash time. This was a little bit tricky as I'm not using them where lashes would normally go, but instead above my crease. Again, crease, crease, crease. How many times can I say that in this tutorial? To add the illusion of my eyes being open, I did this to both sides. I didn't do one right after the other for whatever reason, so anyways, I digress. And then we get to the lips, which are equally my favorite parts to the eyes. I'm putting a black liquid lipstick on, actually the same one that I used on my eyes, and dragging that out to the corners. I'm putting a white over top of that in the shape of fangs and then filling those in. I love these so much. One last portion, which is adding her signature hat, aka I think it's called it's not a toupee, a beret. That's what it is. It's a beret. And that's it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Halloween. You know, there's a point in every video before you go to post that you're filming and you're like, is it worth it? Is it really worth it? I've removed it from everything except my face. There's so much on my face.